Welcome to our step-by-step guide on connecting your Mevo camera to stream using cellular, local Wi-Fi, or Ethernet. For this guide, we'll be showing you the various methods of connection with the Mevo Multicam app. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your Mevo camera. Cellular Hotspot or AP mode transforms your Mevo camera into a portable broadcasting station, allowing you to connect directly to the internet via a cellular network. This mode is perfect for streaming your outdoor events, remote locations, or really anywhere without stable Wi-Fi connection, offering you unparalleled flexibility. For Mevo Multicam, the process is seamless. In the Mevo Multicam app, press Camera and then Setup for the camera you wish to add. Choose No, I do not have Wi-Fi, and then press Next. Then select the camera you want to use as an access point. This should be central to all the devices you intend to connect to in no further than 100 feet clear line of sight. Press Next, and then it will allow you to configure this unit. You can even set up a password for this access point, which is recommended if you go places where others may try to connect to it by accident. Press Next or skip password. This will then set your Mevo camera as an access point. You'll then be prompted to connect and then join the network the Mevo has just created. Once you've done that, the camera will automatically be connected and added to be used in your production. If you have other cameras, you can now press Setup and then Connect. It'll automatically connect the following Mevo cameras to the same network you just configured, which is your centralized Mevo camera. So now let's cover connecting using Wi-Fi. You'll need to open the Mevo Multicam app and press Setup. Or if you've already connected to a network, you can press Edit Network. This time, select Yes, I have Wi-Fi. You can scan a QR code if you have one for a network you use regularly. Otherwise, go ahead and press Next. From there, select the network you want from all the publicly detected wireless networks in your area. Once you select and enter your password, you can press Done. It will then switch your camera to that network. And when successful, move you back to the screen and then press Connect. For the camera to add it to your production, and similarly to the cellular, you can connect the remainder of your cameras to the same network. Last but not least, using Logitech Mevo Multicam app in your Mevo camera via Ethernet. If you're on Wi-Fi at this time, you will need to go back to your connection screen and press Edit Network. This feature is only visible if you're within about 30 feet of the unit you're trying to configure, as it is done via Bluetooth. Then you can switch back to cellular by stating you do not have Wi-Fi. Next, plug in your Mevo Power Ethernet adapter into your Mevo camera, and it will automatically detect and switch from cellular to Ethernet and display Connect, which you can then press and add it to your production. It's important to note the Mevo Power Ethernet adapter provides both power and Ethernet utilizing a single cable. You're all set. You now know how to connect your Mevo camera in cellular, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet mode utilizing the Mevo Multicam app. With these easy steps, you're equipped to stream high-quality live video from anywhere. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Share your streaming adventures in the comments below and visit our website for additional resources. With Mevo, you're always ready to stream with a vision. Guiding you every step of the way, I'm Joe from Mevo, and I'll see you all in the next video.